you have a little amount of money and you are contemplating on which should you do first. Is it to get machines or to rent a shop to start up your sewing career? So this video is for you because this question was asked by one of my followers over the weekend. So I said I have to come here as well to share this important information with you guys because I know some of us might still be passing through similar situation. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now, if you are having a certain amount of money, let's say within the range of ₦1,000,000 or less, and you are confused on what to do, if you are going to procure machine or if you are going to rent a shop to start up your sewing career. Now, I am of the view, my personal thoughts and belief is that you should get more machines first before you rent a shop. Now, why did I say this? Now, the reason is simply because that Naira, does not have value anymore because of dollar rise. So for the fact that every day dollar is rising and it affects every commodity in the market. So at any point in time, you can afford a certain commodity, especially for those commodities that are imported outside Nigeria. Please get them at that moment. Don't wait for tomorrow because these prices hardly comes down if it does not at all come down at all, right? Now, I remember before this current incumbent president, now I bought two Lion direct drive machine. Everything I spent, both the cost of going to the place, bringing it back, was 395,000 because I had 400k that day when I went to the market, and I was able to buy two of the direct drive machines and I came back with it. Now, it wasn't up to 2-3 months when he assumed office. The one machine is now being sold for 400,000 naira because of the drastic dollar rise when the current president assumed office. Now, imagine I did not buy that machine then. I could have been buying one machine with the price of the two I bought earlier on. So this goes to show that if you have a tight budget, buy machines now and pack them. Buy direct drive machine, buy weaving machine, buy mannequin, buy steam iron. Get every item, accessories you need for your job. Possibly buy ring light, buy tripod, buy everything you need for you to get your job done. Get a good phone. Now, when you get all of these things, you pack them in one corner of your room, right? It does not mean that you start using them immediately. That you're buying them does not mean that you're going to start using them immediately. So when you get these materials, you pack them at one corner of your room or your house, then you now still keep on hustling to now be able to get money to rent a shop. Now, when you're able to get these machines, it gives you there are two important aspects that it will give you. One is it gives you more morale to rent a shop. Secondly, it gives you an idea of how extent or how big the shop is now supposed to be. Because if you do not get these machines first and you just went to rent a shop, you might be tempted to rent a shop that does not really have a space or have space, and this will on the long run militate against your expansion, and you will still go back to renting another shop again within 1 year or thereabout. But if you have machines already, you will now have a pure idea of the space you need that will be able to accommodate your machines, right? So machines is very, very paramount to own first before you start thinking of owning a shop. And as well, it will also make you to be more productive when you get these machines ready. So once you rent a shop, you will start producing almost immediately than waiting to buy machines to start production, which might take you more 3, 4, 5 months or 6 months or even 1 year, and you end up not making more money in the shop you have rented. So here, I am of the view that you must get more machines first before you start thinking of getting a shop. Now, if you have gotten a shop, like I said, you won't know what the shop will be able to contain because you have not really bought most of your items. And as well, if you also get a shop, you will still tend to spend more money to buy the machines later on in life with higher price and higher cost. So it's better off you buy machines now and deal with the rent later on. And when you now get these machines, it will now give you a more insight as well to now know the perfect location that your shop is suitable for. And you also be able to know that you rent a shop where they have steady lights, or possibly you buy a gen set as well that will help you in your production. Even if they have a steady light, you should as well have a gen that will help you in your production purposes, right? So I believe this video will go a long way to assist us in our making our decision, because most young upcoming fashion designers make these terrible mistakes by going to rent a shop when they don't have machines to speeding up or hastening up their production processes. And this on the long run will make them to lose interest to keep on pushing, right? So when you have this tight schedule, if you have seen this video, please follow this instruction or this advice in this video. I promise you, you will never regret the advice I have given you, because these things I have told you now are the things I have told my people, my students I have trained over the years, and they did it and they saw the result, and they are all big brands now here in Owerri, and all over the place they have relocated to base. So this video is from personal experience and personal understanding of how these things should work. So if you just finish your fashion career, or you are working from home and you want to, you have this zeal to go out there for people to see you and meet you, right? No, it's not bad, but then I am of the view that you should be patient to get more machines, more stress sewing machines, weaving machine, mannequin, tripod, steam iron, even a good phone, because phone as well will help you for your photography and videography as well. And tripod that will help you to snap some pictures, because there'll be some times you might want to showcase your job on the mannequin, right? So you can just hang your phone on the tripod while you record, and then you walk up to the mannequin to dress the mannequin, to do kind of advert or modeling of your outfits or products on the video. So I think I have said enough. This is just, I'm trying to make it to be concise so you won't get bored with the tutorial. Like I said, don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.